In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project to your Harvest account. Hi everyone! Let's walk through this from start to finish so you feel confident setting up your next project. First, log into your Harvest account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one, so the project ends up in the right place. Once you are in, look for Projects in the top menu and click it. This opens your project's dashboard where you can see existing projects and create new ones. To start a fresh one, click New Project. Depending on your screen size, this button is usually at the top right. Now it's time to enter the project name. Choose something clear and consistent, like including the client name, a brief descriptor, or an internal code. A good naming convention makes reports and search much easier later on. Next, select the client for the project. Use the drop-down to choose the client associated with this work. This ties your project to the right account for invoicing and reporting, so pick carefully to avoid sorting issues down the line. You'll then choose the project type. If you select time and expenses, you'll track billable hours and reimbursable costs as you go. This is ideal when you invoice based on time or when the scope may evolve. If you select fixed fee, you'll bill a single agreed amount. You can still track time internally to monitor effort, but your billing will reference the fixed total rather than hourly charges. If you work with budgets, set one now. You can budget by total hours, total fees, or a fixed amount that matches your contract. This helps Harvest show progress against plan, so you can spot overages early. Keep your budget simple and aligned with how you bill. If it's a fixed fee engagement, use the fixed amount. If you bill hourly, consider an hours or fee budget that reflects your estimate. When the core details look good, click Create Project. Harvest will set up the project and take you to its configuration page. From here, add team members and assign their roles if necessary. Choose who should be able to track time to this project, and assign roles or permissions that match their responsibilities. Limiting access to only the people who need it keeps your reports clean and your data secure. Finally, click Save to finish. You'll see your new project in the list, ready for time tracking and management. And that's how you add a project to your Harvest account. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.